So I got a tattoo to remind me of the important things in my life, right? So I got the bin days.
Do you know what? People always ask me, like, is there any real difference between being Welsh and English? And I think the biggest difference is, if you are Welsh, you can wave your flag and not automatically look like a racist.
I got myself a beautiful middle-class white woman from the home counties. I'm living the immigrant's dream. I did it. I came here. I won.
I love dating an introvert. It has been such a journey. I have learned so much about what I think.
If you've never done an autism assessment at the age of 27 in the middle of the pandemic, I'll tell you what it's like. Basically, my assessment, I had a 5-hour interview, very nice woman, but she just asked me the same question again and again and again. And that question was, are you weird in this way?
I realise I sound a little bit ill. It's not COVID, I have to say that. Now you all think it is COVID. It's not COVID, it's SARS. We're fine.